There are many species of bird found only in the Galapagos Islands. Brown pelicans are a species of pelican found throughout the Americas. However, a species can then diversify into separate subspecies that may someday end up being species in their own right if they continue to be reproductively isolated and are separated from other populations. The brown pelicans on the Galapagos Islands are a subspecies of brown pelican which are endemic to the Galapagos Islands. Like other brown pelicans, they fish by diving into the water with their mouths open, and with their enormous bills, they trap gallons of water, and then after returning to the surface, they hope to expel the water and trap fish inside on which they feed. In the Galapagos Islands, one can observe these pelicans mating. So here you can see a male presenting a female with twigs for a nest. This is part of the courtship ritual. Here you can see two brown pelicans mating in the Galapagos. Like most birds, males no longer possess the penis that their ancestors possessed and mate simply by pressing their cloacas together. The females will lay 2 to 3 eggs typically, but perhaps as many as 4. And pelicans are seasonally monogamous, which means they will form a stable partner during one breeding season, but in the following breeding season, they may mate with another partner. Both will help keep the eggs warm by putting them on or under their webbed feet. Finally, a few comments on preening, which is a behavior which pelicans are frequently seen doing. As embryos, birds possess a gland at the upper or dorsal portion of their tail, just as the tail feathers insert. It's called the uropygial gland or the preen oil gland. This gland secretes waxes and oils which birds can then rub on their feathers for a variety of reasons, perhaps a use in courtship, perhaps antibacterial or antimicrobial, but for aquatic birds it often serves as a waterproofing, making the feathers more hydrophobic and water resistant and helping to maintain their integrity by keeping the barbules together, especially pelicans having to dive with force into water. This is important. And so here you can see pelicans performing the behavior of preening, where their bills take oil from the uropygial gland at the base of their tail and then distribute it over the feathers of their bodies.